Hello everybody, my name is Maze Master Ali and today I'll be teaching you how to make some steel tools. So I'm going to make, this is going to be a tutorial how to make some steel tools. So we're going to start, I'm just going to get a little order, then I'll start the tutorial. And now I'll be teaching you how to make steel tools. This will be a short and easy, simple tutorial, so you just have to follow everything I do. I will be soon making a tutorial how to turn an iron ore into steel, but for this tutorial, we're just going to make some steel tools because there's not a lot of steel tool tutorials or just tutorials in general, so I will be making one just for you guys. So if you do enjoy this video and do learn from it, make sure to like and subscribe. Alright, let's get on with the tutorial. So first we're going to need this fire. Hopefully they don't mind me taking it, but you're going to need this setup, this and that. So you're gonna heat this up, then you're gonna heat it up, then you're gonna place it on this. Then you're going to need a smithing hammer to hit whatever you want. So right now we want, what is it? We're going to make just a pickaxe. A mining pick, there we go. So we're gonna make a mining pick and we're gonna wait for that to cool down. That was a waste of charcoal, but you gotta do what you gotta do. You don't want to do what I just did. You want to actually heat up some more and make some more, but now what we're gonna need is a long straight shaft just like that one, but we're not gonna use that because that's important. So I'm just going to find one and head back to you guys. Okay, so now we have our steel axe head and we have a long straight shaft. I just found this. But now I'm gonna teach you how to make tools. So you wanna take your steel axe head or the tool head that you made, then you wanna find your long straight shaft and just left click on it, and now you have a steel axe. And you can do what you want, like this. I'm gonna swap this down, and we got some butt logs and we got some firewood. So with this, I'm just going to put it back in the town. I made this, so yeah, that's basically how to make tools. And it's not really hard at all, it's just super easy. You don't need any super tutorial that's very hard to understand. It's just easy. So if you did like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. I'm not forcing you, but if you do want to watch any other videos of mine, make sure to hit that bell notifications, and I will see you guys next time.